Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and get the Meta AI on your Instagram. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and open up your system settings, and inside your system settings, you can just go ahead and open up the app information for Instagram. So in my case, it's inside the apps and notifications. Click on see all 30 apps, and inside you want to go ahead and navigate through the Instagram application. And right after finding Instagram, you could just go ahead and click on it. So take note, if you're doing this method in your iOS device, you can just go ahead and do the same thing, but for the iOS versions, you will then go ahead and offload the application. So to proceed, you want to go ahead and click on storage, and inside storage, you can just go ahead and click on clear cache and clear storage. And after clearing both of the cache and storage, you can just go ahead and open up the Instagram application and check whether you have the new Meta AI feature or not. But if not, we can now go ahead and open up our Play Store to ensure that there are no pending updates. And if you go ahead and see a update button inside the Instagram page right here, just go ahead and click on the update button in order to ensure that we are using the latest version of the Instagram. That will ensure that it has the newest features available, which includes the new Meta AI feature. And after updating Instagram, but still it doesn't have the new Meta AI feature, you can then go ahead and open up the Instagram application. Basically, you want to log in your account back in, and we really have to make sure that there is no Meta AI chatbot on our Instagram. Once we have proven that the Meta AI chatbot is not available on our application, you want to head over to your Instagram profile right here, and inside you could just go ahead and click on the three lines above your profile. Inside those three lines, you want to scroll down until you see the help button, which is inside the more info and support. And inside this section, you can just go ahead and click on report a problem. Now this menu will show up. You want to click report problem without shaking. Click on include and continue, and inside we basically want to say that we want the feature to be enabled on our Instagram application. So you can just go ahead and type something like, hello, Meta AI is missing in my Instagram application. Can you please activate the feature for my account so I can use it? Thanks a lot, and I hope you'll resolve my problem as soon as possible. So basically, we want to go ahead and write our problem and contact the Instagram team directly. We want to explain to them that our Meta AI feature is missing from the Instagram, and kindly ask them to enable this feature for your account and resolve the problem as soon as possible. And right after finishing, submit the report and just wait a day or two until they respond. But even if it didn't work, you should go ahead and wait for a couple of weeks until they roll out the feature for your country or region. And basically, Instagram will go ahead and look at this problem, and hopefully they will enable this feature. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.